Up next, a 2015 Harley-Davidson FLHR. Road King in color Vivid Black. Bike just came out of detail, so it looks almost perfect. The only blemish, a little dent on the left side of the tank. Checking the miles, we see it's barely over 15,000. Looking at the rest of the bike, near perfection. It's a 2015 model, so it has a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine and a 6-speed transmission. Road King is a favorite of many, especially older, Harley enthusiasts. This black beauty is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.